In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this creative ripple effect in Photoshop using the ripple filter, a layer mask, and a simple color overlay. So, let's get started. First, right-click on your main image layer and select Duplicate Layer. Then press OK. Now go to Filter Distort Ripple. In the ripple settings, set the amount to around 591. You can adjust this value depending on how strong you want the ripple effect to be. Once you're happy with the result, press OK. Next, select the polygonal lasso tool and create a selection around the area where you want the ripple effect to appear. Now add a layer mask to isolate the effect. Open the layer style and enable stroke. Set the size to around 2 pixels and choose white as the color. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate layer mask. Create a solid color fill layer. And choose any color you like. Then create a clipping mask so the color only affects the ripple layer. Change the blending mode to color burn. You can now double-click the solid color layer and experiment with different colors until you find the look you like. And that's it. You've created this stylish ripple effect in Photoshop with just a few simple steps.